Well, hello guys, welcome to Arry The Stag. It's Christmas Day, December 2019, so welcome back. Hope you're having a wonderful break wherever you are. It's been a really, really good year, and new year just around the corner, 2020, with lots more exciting things happening, I'm sure, for you, and also for Arry The Stag and the channel. Lots of things to come, so I'll keep you briefed on all of that. Sadly, we've had a bit of a loss in the family fairly recently, so my apologies if we've been off air a little bit more than we would have been normally, but nevertheless, it's been a fantastic year. I just wanted to share with you lots of good things that have happened during the year, all the videos. So I've just taken little clips of each one and just made it into a end of year compilation, because I thought that would be very true and very fitting and very good. So wherever you are, having a great Christmas. I hope things are going well for you, and we'll see you online on Arry The Stag very soon. Cheers for now, guys. All the best. Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. It's Friday night trunnions again. Look here, we've got summer on its way. Spring has sprung, and although it's raining outside currently, we're going in the right direction in terms of light in the evenings, and that's really lovely for us who want to restore our stags. And here we have the underside. I've flipped it over on its so you're now looking at the base of the tank that would normally be deep in the boot well of the stag itself. And again, on first review, you think, well, okay, it's not looking too bad. Actually, it looks quite tidy, perfectly serviceable. It does have a little bit of sludge left in it. I've got to clean all that out. But then I looked at one or two of these rusticles that I've seen on here, and these are only kind of light shaded ones here and probably not too deep. But when you come down to this corner, I think you can see the evidence is a lot more horrific than perhaps we first thought. TR Tony here in his garage, rather crammed full of stag stuff, as you can probably see behind me. So what's that saying?
I don't know, I'm up here.
Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. It's TR Tony here, driving a balcony this weekend, and as you can probably see over my shoulder, a little bit further south than Bournemouth this weekend. We've travelled down to the south of France, in Cannes, actually, on the south coast.
You can both do.
Introducing the Renault Twizy. Is that how you pronounce it? Twizy or Twitsy? Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. Doesn't really get much more automotive than this, I have to say. I know we're into our Triumph Stags, a 1970s car, but here we are at Monaco in the south of France, about 5 or 6 weeks ahead of the Grand Prix. That's the main street. Master classic car. Beautiful. Look at that. Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. It's a beautiful sunny Easter Sunday, and we haven't been to see Alan for a little while. It's been about 5 or 6 weeks now. So you can see behind me, Harry's fueled up the MG BGT, and we have Grandad Jim with us as well, and we're just about to head down and see how the old Stag's getting on. It's been a little while, I have to say.
I think this thing's been stored in a field, quite honestly.
It's been...
Oh, I've no idea where it is.
All underwater.
Poor Alan's.
He didn't live somewhere nice.
Yeah.
So I'm in the process of rebuilding this before I can even put the new valance.
Yeah.
So,
Is that the front cross member, is it? No.
no, it's
No.
not.
No, I've taken the front cross member off. That's
Thankfully,
it,
it's not a cross member.
No.
No, it's just a cross welder.
Yeah.
We were going to look at the grave, the Commonwealth War grave of my wife's great grandfather.
Okay, righto. Yes. Wow, look
no
at that engine.
members of the family, as far as we know, have been there, so we
Yes.
went over to lay across and so on and so
Yes.
forth.
And pay respects.
Yeah.
That is awesome finishing, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah, you actually get awarded the Arry The Stag Bobbleat.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Paul. So you're now officially one of the King Bobbleat members on the channel, so very good, thank you very much, and thanks for showing us the stag. It's very, very kind indeed.
A great pleasure.
But all in all, yeah, plumpness is the word, and we are well impressed. So
Well done, Mike.
well done, Mike. Of where was he again from, Paul?
Wessex car trimming.
Wessex car trimming, right?
In Southampton.
In Southampton.
Henry Street.
Henry Stag. Good work. There you go. Thanks for your time, mate. Well done. Very good. There we go. Well, what an emporium this is. You certainly feel like you're bumping this car, don't you?
Oh yeah. You gotta try and avoid them, that's what you gotta do.
Well, bumps.
Yeah.
To the Mach 1 size, which is what this is.
Yeah.
They've gone biggest ever, but needed to lighten it down. So there's no.
Okay, so here we are. We've landed at Beauty, parked up, and had a really good wander around the various stalls. And here again, we've got a bit of a bargain. I think this was on for about £35, a Stag steering wheel. Managed to get it for 30, which I think is a pretty good deal. So first off is the next addition to my man cave. I couldn't resist this. I'm not sure it's actually original, but it is metal, and obviously it has the Triumph logo on. And for those that are vegan amongst us, just like to share with you a very light and healthy lunch. And this is a beautiful Austin Healey 3 litre Mark III, ice blue over white. It's my favourite Austin Healey, I must say. Arry The Stag! Okay, so we've got the rear panel on,
Well,
kind of.
it's got.
Okay, so without further ado, let's hit the Batmobile. Haha! I've parked in a bit of a lay-by, a few strange looks from a few people, but just had to do a bit to camera. Okay, off we go. So this is a very special occasion, guys. Here is UNY 49M's engine on the rack, and about to be started, from my point of view, for the first time ever. Right, so after 10 years, up the side of an alley in a dark place, forlorn and almost lost forever, this Triumph Stag engine V8 3 litre looks like it's about to star again. This is an international red letter day for Arry The Stag. Yes! Awesome! Hey! Brilliant, Paul. Superb. You can see we have a V8 engine behind me, and I'm driving rather gingerly home because I don't want to roll over or anything like that. But I must say, I now have a totally unique Mitsubishi Shogun with a V6 in the front and a V8 in the back. Don't suppose there's too many Mitsubishi Shoguns in the world that can boast that. Hola e bienvenido para atormentaro viado. Welcome to Arry The Stag.
That's your
Okay, so
transmission.
this is Andy Morgan. I've come along today to have a look at our Borg Warner 35 box, which you can see here on the trolley. We did a bit of a video yesterday. Okay, so here's the new one all wrapped up. Just added the bolts to the torque converter, so we're all ready to go with a brand new gearbox. We are well chuffed, aren't we, Harry?
Indeed.
Okay, so as I promised you, a very simple diagram to show you what I mean about how a automatic
So
gearbox
you've stripped
works.
your transmission down from Arry The Stag's Stag, and just to show you that that's your box.
Whilst we're about it, he was talking about how susceptible these gearboxes are to standing around.
But I always knew that the back end was going to be a problem
Was
when I
gonna
got
be
to this corner.
Yeah, that's it.
Because this isn't getting there as quick as I'd like.
No.
Um,
But you kind of finished off there, haven't you? It's in
the front's pretty much
grey primer.
The reason the primer's on
Looking
there...
tidy. Stag National Day. Look at all these stags, aren't they? Marvellous. Loads of them. Wonderful. Never seen so many stags all in one place.
To Bewley.
Welcome to Bewley.
This is the 40th anniversary of the Stag Owners Club meeting.
Fantastic.
Welcome.
Welcome. Thank you very much. Shot some of the stag parts. Lots of stag parts here for sale. As you can see, we're quite tempted by the bonnet over there in the distance. All right, so the MGB has been cleaned up and polished and looking good. VW.
That's definitely not a classic, though, is it?
59 reg. A future classic maybe, but there we are.
Afternoon.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Okay guys, so this is David's stag. He's here every week during the season and has brought it along in saffron yellow, this one. Film called, David? Is it Diamonds Are Forever?
Diamonds Are Forever.
Diamonds Are Forever. And we've got all the details here. You can read through those, some pictures. Very tidy, loads of interest. I don't think this is going to go cheap at all.
Now the second order, the 1,000 number 49. Get used to that.
Hey guys, welcome back to Arry the Stag. TR Tony here, sat on a balcony somewhere in the southern part of Italy near Sorrento with a wonderful...
Good morning, or should I say good afternoon, the UK folks watching. This is Trumpet Pilot Bob, reporting from the US of A, St. Augustine, currently at 2,000 feet. So we're off down to Orlando now to go and view the stag. Hopefully we have a clean run down. See you there.
Take the old stag wheels that came with our Triumph. Okay, there you go. So they're all now in the back of the Mitsubishi. Another good reason for having a huge great Mitsubishi Shogun is you can swallow 4 stag wheels and tyres in the back without any bother at all. So that's good news. Just thought we'd try out a slightly different Arry the Stag merchandise option. Not sure if it'll take off in the UK, but might do quite well down under. Especially with the Arry the Stag sunglasses facilities. Yeah, it's pretty cool, eh? Time your kangaroo down, sport. Alright, so I've got my ratchet out. I've put it on the crankshaft bolt and tightened it up, so it's just literally a question of turning it over a few times just to make sure we're getting the oil around the system and the belts, chains moving and stuff. Definitely out the sticks here, Arry, aren't we?
That's a classic car show as well.
I know.
I think
Vast amount of cars in the car park for 40 cars. We're wondering if there's a show on as well. Alright guys, so we're very pleasantly surprised actually. I hadn't realised it was going to be this big. Just look at all these cars here. Some fantastic examples. Far more than was actually on the website. Through what you've done to your MG.
So I've had it for pretty much a year now, to be honest. It's coming up to a year anniversary with it, so
yeah.
Labour of love, as you know, you never finish them. So I've had the bumpers re-chromed a few months ago.
Yeah.
Stage 3 detail, my friend did it for me. There's new exhaust stainless steel on it, so just go with the chrome basically.
Yeah, nice.
Mechanical fuel pump, fuel sender units, condenser, things like that, but not too much, you know, just keep it in good working order, keep it on the road, and that's pretty much how it is.
Yeah, beautiful. It's TR Tony here, out in the garage, in the dark, in December. A little bit nippy, to say the least, but here we are, Friday night Trunnions time. Just temporarily held it there just to give you a full effect. And the seat back on the very back. So I think we've done a good job. Just to remind you that we now have a good range of Arry the Stag complimentary on us window stickers, window badges. We're calling them badges of honour. You can get them on the arrythestag.com website. If you go online, just look up the badges of honour page. So that's on us, complimentary, free of charge. Just give us your details and we'll send you one off in the post.